In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy Suica card at machine. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Having one of these cards is extremely important if you are traveling across Japan. It makes the process of getting around extremely simple, and buying it from a vending machine is a very straightforward process. So locate a ticket vending machine. Look for multifunctional ticket vending machines at Japan railway stations. These machines usually will have the logo displayed. So when you see the logo, you can find it and walk up to the machine. Now, if needed, switch to the English language. This can help, but of course you can do the exact same process without switching the language. It's entirely up to you. Now, once you go over to the machine, these are going to be your main options: ticket, pass, purchase new Suica, and then charge or add value. If you want to get a card for you, choose the last option here. So it is going to be the bottom right option with the rectangle or the color in black. So when you choose purchase this new Suica, you will be able to start this process. If this is going to be your first card, choose blank Suica. You will also find the option to add value again, and you can get a named inscribed Suica. So when you choose either of these, blank or named inscribed, you will be able to select the desired amount. So input the amount here and be aware of the warnings. The card deposit cannot be used for payment, and deposit is refunded when the card is returned. So make sure that you do the proper amount here according to the deposit that you want to make. You will see the full amount displayed once again, and all that you have to do now is insert the money, the card, according to the instructions here. So insert the money in the proper slot, the machine will take it, and if it is a legitimate bill, you will be able to get your receipt and receive your Suica card. You can then repeat the process but choose the option to add value instead. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy Suica card at station and machine. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.